Morning guys, September 13th, 2024. This is I got a call for AC not working. And one of down in Round Hill area, one of the rich folk down there, you know. A lot of them are like, you know, older people, retired, and a lot of the time this is like a summer house for them. They got a house in Boston or something, and this is like their summer residence. But I've worked for this lady a bunch of times, and she does a lot of non-profit stuff. Usually people that work for non-profits are, you know, they just need something to do and they get a lot of money. That's usually what it is with a non-profit. But a nice lady I worked for over the years plenty of times, and she called me. It's Friday afternoon, what, 2 o'clock? 2:30 actually. So I'm gonna go over there now and see if I can find out what's going on with it. These systems usually had like an older Rudd air conditioners and first company units down here. Most of them. Most of them anyway, you know, not all. But we'll find out. I'll try to get you some shots when I get there.
Looking at two adult squirrels, and there were 4 babies in the nest up there.
Wow, so what did they do?
And they ran, and they jumped off the roof to the trees and left.
What do you do about the babies? They left them there?
I think they all ran, I guess.
The babies too?
I guess. I wasn't here. I came right after that.
Yeah, they're making a nest up there then, huh?
They huge. And my contractor had said to me he has seen that before.
See, if this thing tripped the breaker, now that he reset the breaker, if it's not running, it could be drawing high voltage because it's not starting and tripping the breaker after a while. That's probably what's happening.
Yeah.
Because you got it on and it's not running.
Right. I'm so glad that you said, let's look at this.
Let's go look at it.
Okay.
I know how thrifty you are. You don't want to pay me, but...
No. Listen, already what I just had to pay today. Let me tell you.
Yeah, it's on, but it's not running. Hear it? So it must be a bad capacitor or something's wrong with it. Could be the capacitor's bad. Let's check that.
I don't know what that means.
This is on. You can hear it humming.
Yeah.
It's not. So this thing should be running and it's not.
Yeah, I hear you, yeah.
How's the non-profit stuff going?
Oh, good for you that you remember.
I got a good memory.
Yes, you do. It was a tough year, but it's over and all the kids are at school and...
They want to put me on that statin stuff. I take it for like a week and I go flipping. I can't even think straight. Oh. It's like I'm not even taking that shit.
Statin
no,
for
we got no voltage here. Got no voltage. That's why it's not running. Unless that other breaker tripped. Nothing. No voltage. Yeah. Put you on that flipping statin shit.
What's the statin
These flipping doctors, all they want to do is put you on medicine, right?
Yeah. Is it for cholesterol or is it
well,
for
yeah, my
cholesterol
cholesterol's not even that bad. You know how these they wanna put you on stuff anyway.
I'm on one.
How does it affect you?
It's been okay.
I can't take this shit. I mean, the best part about me is my brain.
Well, yeah, then you just have to find one that'll work for you. I mean, because there are plenty of them, and I know I had a friend who her legs were killing her when she was on it.
Yeah, I don't know.
She kept trying different ones, and she finally found one that worked.
Oh, what the hell? I don't know. Something's up. Maybe able to get this thing open. I just changed my diet around a little bit and hope for the best.
Yeah, well.
You know? They say that if you take the statin drugs, it's gonna prolong your life for 3 days. Yeah.
Oh my God. I did change mine. But I haven't eaten red meat in 35 years.
Yeah, it does, the red meat does raise it a little bit,
So
for sure. If I eat chicken, it's a lot lower.
I eat chicken and fish and turkey.
What the hell?
But, I cut back on cheese, and I cut back on, I forget what else, but it didn't lower it that much, so I've been on a statin now for quite a while.
Unless it tripped again already.
Oh, should I go look?
I can give you mine if you want them.
What, you're saying?
Nope. I don't think this would be a 20 amp anyway. I think that, yeah, this is a 30 amp. They came and did some wiring in the house here, and there's a bunch of breakers that are disconnected.
So now?
No, that's a 30 amp. So that's gotta be with that 30, but I don't know why them wires are all disconnected.
But what I don't get is...
Well, we got no power out there, and I don't see anything that's tripped. This 30 supposedly for the air conditioner, no wire. There's no wires hooked to it. And then there's wires disconnected here that go up to this line here that goes over to this Telsa bullshit that we just turned this 20 amp breaker on, but that's not it. It might have been this one. It says mini split. It's probably this one that's going.
Yeah, maybe that's the one.
That's probably the one.
Yeah.
Well, I don't. Why is this off? This is the feed. Did you shut that off? You shut the power off to this whole panel. Did you shut this off?
I don't think so.
That's the main power, 100 amp. 100 amps coming in. None of this stuff is going to work if that's off.
Okay, can you push it back?
Did you shut that off?
I don't think so.
Because you said you shut the mini split off, which
I did.
Was it that one off? So you probably shut the 100 amp off too.
Oh, okay.
So that 100 amp feeds this whole panel.
Yeah.
So as soon as you shut that off, you kill all these. So let's turn that on and see what happens.
Okay.
You want to do it or you want me to do it?
Yeah, I want you to do it.
There we go. There's your air conditioning problem right there.
Oh my goodness. Maybe it's my dryer problem too.
That's your dryer problem too, yeah, because you shut that whole panel off with that breaker.
You
that
know
100
what?
amp. The 100 amp you got to leave on.
So I'm gonna. They didn't.
That's a 100 amp breaker. That feeds this whole panel.
Oh, keep on. I'm gonna have to write it.
Well, it's 100 amps. I mean, you don't want to shut that off.
Okay. I don't know.
You shut the 20 off. So let's go.
Okay.
Let's go see if it's working now.
Okay, and I'm gonna.
But you're a hot mess, aren't you?
Oh God. You know what? I'm exhausted, to tell you the truth. I had my little new grandson also.
It's running. You're a flipping hot mess, Mama. It's running. There you go. She shut the 20 amp breaker off of this, but she shut the 100 amp. So she shut that whole panel off.